Hey guys, this is Jamie Lola Tallulah Poet Spice, and I'm here to do a haul video. I got in some Spellbinders, I got in some HunkyDory, I got in a whole bunch of Tonic. So I thought I'd go ahead and show this so I could put it up and then start working with it. And then I have a not too shabby haul coming up. Oh, you guys, you definitely have to be coming around here at the beginning of March because we have lovely, fabulous new stuff from Jamie's Not Too Shabby Shop. Woohoo! Sneak peeks coming. Okay, so let's go ahead and get started. First off, I wanted to get these kits from Spellbinders. So I got the card kit, the September 2019. So I'll go ahead and show you this stuff that's on her. So I love the colors, you know, not too big on pink, but they had the mauve. And I do like a good mauve color. So you have some die cut shapes, and they have a lot of them. And I was like, ooh, yes. So you've got Celebrate and all these fabulous pieces and mason jars, and you get 2 of each. So you got mason jars and doilies and little bugs and flowers, and I love this camera. So you've got all these little pieces, which are fabulous. And so you get a lot of them too. So look at that. Look at the little bike and all these little bits. And there's still more, so you can see that that's coming out. Then you have this little project sheet here, and there's, you see, some more of the little things. And you get this die set, and it basically creates this, like, I don't know, what do you call that? That board, which I wasn't really big on the dies in this case, but they came with the kit, and I liked all the little bits that came with it this time. So as you can see, you get plenty of little bits. And I do love cranberry, so that was like so cool. You get some foam dots. This one had some adhesive tape, which is always good. You got some like crystal drops, and I kind of got like that rock candy finish on them. You get cards and envelopes. Get a paper pad, and I love these colors. I love it. I love it, love it, love it. I always like a good cranberry, so like I said. So these rich colors, I love that. And I love these Edison light bulbs. Oh, where'd they go? I wanted to show you. Where'd they go? Oh no. Oh no, there you go. Love those. And as you can see, there's more bits. You got a stamp set with a bunch of expressions. I like the font. And you got some chipboard stickers. And so I believe that I am going to make a journal. I haven't made a journal in a while. So then you get some cardstock bits as well. The blue, gold, this lovely green color, like a craft but not really. You got the pink, this maroon or slash cranberry, a white one, and this gray. So I love that combo. So I wanted that because I absolutely loved the bits that came with it. And that was pretty cool. So you get a lot in those die cut packs. Alright, so I got that one. And then I really liked the December 2019 one. So the Hey Foxy Lady. So I thought that was cool. I like these colors. And some of these will mix well with that other pad from the other one. So I'm just going to show you the cover. And they're it's a decent weight. It's not too thick, not too whatever. Then they give you your cards, little inspiration piece. And I loved that little fox. I thought that fox was the cutest, right? So I'll show you that in a minute. You get some more papers. So you got this creamy color. You got your gold ones again. This is why I said it will match with that other, the December one. Like these are a little brighter, I think. So you got that. You got that another cranberry again. So now that I look at it like this, I'm like, well, no wonder I liked both of them. Okay, so then this is just a piece of paper. You get your cards again in their envelopes. You get this stamp set, and I love this little, I wish they had put this on the back so you can actually see the stamp set. I love him. Look at him. So that's cute. Adorable. Love that one. So you get that stamp set. You got some little sequins. Candy that I was eating. Not in the box. Then once again, you get a crap ton of these die cuts, which is good because before when I got this kit, they didn't give you nearly as many. You got like a little bit here. I love this little thing here. You got this girl. So if I use her, you know she's going to go brown. And just a ton of these. And there's that little, I don't know, what is that? Is that a bear? Or maybe that's a different type of fox. But that's so cute. Some more foam dots. A ton of these. Just look at that. It's like, look at that, look at that. These little houses. I don't know what's with my thing in houses. You got some more adhesive. Here's the die set to make that fox. You got thick stickers this time. And you also got this sticker pad. So you got your 4 sheets there. So that was pretty cool. And I liked it. I got the one and it was on sale. One was on sale, but not as much. And the other one was like on a really good deal. So I was like, oh yeah, that's what I'm talking about. So I ended up getting both of them because I wanted this one when it came out after I saw it, but I did not want to subscribe. Okay, so there's that. Then let me show you the HunkyDory. So cute. So this is their Happy Town. So I got an extra pad of paper. And it has like little scenes. And this is from Creighton Crafts. So it's the Happy Town. And you've got the hospital. And the doctor's office. No, is this the doctor's office or the school? Doctor's office or the school. I can't remember. I guess you could be either one. And, or maybe just an office. And then you've got the vet's office. Construction workers. The parlor. There's the vet. No, that's the barber shop. Another little restaurant. That's the school. And the post office. And the fire station. Or something else. A little more road construction. And so I thought that was really cute. And you got the pad. And so I ordered a second one just to go with it. So you got the little Happy Town. Then you got all the little people. So here's your little teachers and books and stuff. Could also be an office. You've got your paramedics. Or is this the post office? No, this is the post office. The post office. Although you can make that an ambulance. And then here's the police. They even give you some robbers. Which is funny because they had another set that had a little robber in it too. So it's hilarious. And then this one, which is your vet. This one's the doctors and the paramedics. A little pregnant woman. And then this one is the school for sure. Your chefs. You got a little waiter. Your fireman. Your fire lady. And that little truck. That's so cute. You got the hairdresser and the barber. Check him out. His mustache. He is working it. And then you got your road crew. How cute is that, right? So you got that with that. And then they had 3 die sets to make like the background. So you got the background one. So your little clouds. You could also use that for bushes. Your mountains, your little hills. They gave you some brick wall, grass, and then the pieces for a road and a sidewalk. So that's just cool. And they did it so you could extend it and do more than one. Craziness. Then they gave you like the weather forecast. So you can add weather to your cards. And most of these are like cut in. These are cut out pieces, but this here is a cut in die. So you just put this on, it'll cut it out, like cut it into your card. So you got snow, nighttime, little rainbow. And then they give you this one. Well, they don't give it to you because you pay for it. You get the die for the house and then the awning so you can change it to a house, to a shop, and so forth. So the window isn't in there. The door and this window are part of the die, but you can take that out. I'll put the awning on. We've got a little picnic table stuff, some bushes, a little sale sign. I think this one says, I can't tell what the, oh, bus, and the little box. What do you call that? Telephone booth. And some little lights and signs for your store. Their post office. But you can tell it's a British company because there's the mailbox and there's oh my gosh. So it's so cute. You got your little barber pole that you can put on there. So I thought that was absolutely adorable. Can't wait to play with it. So fun. And these little people, I have some other sets of those, so they're fun. All right, now on to the Tonic, because you gotta love the Tonic. So I made an order from Tonic, their actual website. So you got a free gift if you did that, and the free gift was this glitter pen. I like the color. I think this is one I already have, so that'll be interesting. The only thing is I found that, I don't know if it's because it wasn't dry all the way, but the glitter tends to run it off. So we had the designer choice this month. So I didn't get last month, but this one I thought was very pretty. I like this whole thing going on here, and I like this band that they've got. It's like a belly band kind of thing. So that was cool. And you got your 2 pieces here, your sentiments with layers, and this. So those are the 2 that I got for that. Then let's see what else came in today. I got, oh my gosh, you guys, memory books and stuff like that. Totally love it, as well as the bags and boxes and stuff from Tonic, right? So they came out with this new half-cut design for the previous shapes that they had. So this was a new release, and you can see where they have 2 cuts, little flowers, and your book can open on both sides. And you've got this fabulous design in there. Love it. Love it. And so you can see the pieces. So you've got your 2 designs. You've got some of these little extra bits in here, some little buckles and stuff. Then you have the inserts. Look at that. Love this little honeycomb. Then you've got butterflies. So that is gorgeous. Gorgeous. And then you've got some other little bits down there too. So those all fit with the previous one. Then this came out before. This was with the when they came out with the big large set of memory books and so forth, add-ons, and I was trying to be good and didn't buy that whole set. But then I decided that I wanted this one because I like the size of it. It's huge. It's massive. You see that? It's massive. So you can make a larger book that looks like this, and you've got different ways that you can make it up, right? And so you can see the pieces. And it was out of stock for the longest time, and then not in stock in the other places, and I was like, oh. So they finally had it back in stock, and so I ordered it. And then here's another one. So it has these 2 fabulous pieces. And then you can see the bits on this one. And so you have some extra pockets down here. And this one has pockets too. So it has the pockets and then the tags that you can make with some sentiments. So there's lots of ways that you can use these. And this was out with the the other creator die. I can't think of what it's called now. Oh my gosh. Anyway, keep it moving, keep it moving. So you had to spend like $50 to get free shipping, and so I needed to bump it up to the next thing. So I went ahead and I purchased this magazine, this Tonic magazine box set, and it was out sometime in December, maybe November, and I didn't get it then because I was like, I don't need a pillow box. You get this die, which is your perfect pillow box extras. So you get 3 sets and outlines and this whole thing right here. I like that. That's cute. And I love this, handmade by, oh. So you get that one. That was your extra die. And then here's the box set. Let me open it for you. I thought I already had opened it, but I guess I did not. And so you get these other goodies. I'm just gonna throw that box away. These other goodies. So this is the die that comes in it, and so you can make your pillow box. So you basically end up with 4 designs for the top. So you have this one and the 3 in here. And do you get that little flower? No, I think they just cut it. So there's that. Then of course you get the magazine, which I usually just flip through and then chuck it. Because I don't really use the tutorials in there much. But it's cute to see. You get some papers. And then the dies will cut these out. I guess I should turn them around so you can read it. And these are matte versus, they're not very thick, but they're not glossy magazine pages. So that you can cut your stuff up using this. I usually don't even use them. Sometimes I do. And then, of course, you get this, which is an embossing folder and some stamps. So it all coordinates, of course, so you can put this or cut this out using this die and create this little section, add to the top of it. And then you have your, you won't be able to see that, then you have your stamps, which are cute. I like this one. Don't really get the point of that, but hey, whatever. Right, there you go. So that is my haul that is in, and then I will be doing the not too shabby one. I'm waiting for an order that comes in tomorrow, so that'll be cool. All right, thanks for watching, you guys, and I shall see you later. If there's a tutorial you want to see, let me know, and I will add that to the list. And don't forget to keep watching because the Not Too Shabby Shop has some cool stuff coming out. So cute. And then we'll be doing a hop with that. And so, yeah, stay tuned for the next one. All right, see you guys later. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share.